Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking you to explore the world of DeWalt with a special focus on the DCH172, a compact rotary hammer from the Atomic range. This tool is designed for small jobs where precision and maneuverability are key. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for equipment that is lightweight, high-performing, and easy to carry. It's worth noting, however, that this model is not a jackhammer, unlike larger tools. It excels at drilling, but it's not made for chiseling. If you're curious and want to know all about its capabilities, the link to discover this product is available in the description. Get comfortable, let's go! On the design side, DeWalt stays true to its reputation with a distinctive aesthetic, featuring an elegant mix of yellow and black that embodies both sturdiness and modernity. The DCH172 weighs 1.8 kilo, easy handling, great for overhead use. Easy to handle even with one hand. Its lightweight design makes it an ideal companion for overhead work or extended tasks. This model comes with the PowerStack battery, 1.7 ampere hour, a true game changer in the world of batteries. With a size that's 20 to 25% more compact and a weight that's 15% lighter, this battery doesn't compromise on performance. On top of that, it's perfect for enhancing the tool's portability. You can even attach it to your belt for added convenience. With this rotary hammer, user comfort is definitely a priority. Behind its compact appearance, the DCH172 hides impressive power. With an impact force of 1.4 J, this tool can easily drill through solid materials like concrete. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, you'll appreciate its capability. It handles various tasks with remarkable efficiency, reaching up to 4980 impacts per minute, ensuring formidable effectiveness for precision work, even on demanding surfaces. This impact frequency ensures clean and fast drilling, making the tool ideal for repetitive tasks. Its rotation speed, which peaks at 1060 revolutions per minute, ensures quick and clean drilling, especially with drill bits ranging from 6mm to 10mm, where it performs particularly well. This rotary hammer is not just effective, it's also designed to be reliable thanks to its brushless motor. This type of motor, in addition to ensuring increased durability, provides smoother operation and reduces maintenance needs. Repairing a brushless motor can be more expensive in case of a breakdown, but the performance it offers is definitely worth it. In terms of maximum capacity, it can drill up to 16mm into concrete, although it really excels with smaller sized bits. Its well thought out ergonomics, combined with its robust design, make it a tool suitable for a wide range of tasks, whether they are light or of medium intensity. Moreover, its well-balanced design helps reduce fatigue during extended use, which is a crucial aspect for those who need a powerful and comfortable tool for projects that require time and precision. In real-life situations, the DCH172 stands out for its versatility and ease of use. Whether it's for installing ceiling lights, setting up junction boxes, or drilling into concrete, it gets the job done brilliantly. Its lightweight and compact design are major advantages that minimize fatigue, even during extended use. In tests, it showed remarkable efficiency for tasks requiring medium-sized bits ranging from 6mm to 10mm. To optimize your drilling sessions, remember to regularly remove the bit to clear out debris and prevent overheating. This simple gesture ensures performance and preserves the integrity of the tool. Compared to other models in the DeWalt range, the DCH273, the DCH172 stands out for its lightweight and maneuverability. Weighing in at just 1 kilogram, it's perfect for tasks that require mobility and flexibility. Its impact force of 1.4 joules is lower than the 4 joules of the, which makes it suitable for demanding applications. When compared to competing models, like the larger Bosch rotary hammers, it maintains a respectable level of efficiency. Despite its lower power, it proves to be just as fast in tasks involving drills up to 10mm. It's its ergonomics and user comfort that make it an essential tool for light and precise work. In conclusion, the DeWalt DCH172 is a tool that checks all the boxes for everyday DIY projects. Compact, powerful, and equipped with the revolutionary PowerStack battery, it stands out for its ease of use and portability. Even though it's not meant for heavy or intensive work, it more than makes up for it with its maneuverability and lightweight feather, which makes it a perfect choice for precise tasks and environments requiring great mobility. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and practical tool for everyday tasks, the DCH172 deserves your attention. Check it out by clicking the link in the description. Every click through this link helps the channel, and I thank you for that. And don't forget to comment below to share your thoughts, to like the video, and of course to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.